because there have been so many questions. How do I find the job? Where do I look? How much should I be getting paid? Like truly. And then again, if you have any questions, please don't be shy. This is going to be your go-to. If you're not sure what you should be getting paid, the question in the chat, the group earlier today, we've got a Louisiana insurance sales rep. And she was like, am I even making enough? Does it even make sense? So, I went ahead and just literally took a picture of this screen and sent it to her. But this is what Glassdoor is going to show. You can change the experience depending on how long you've been in the industry. You can change, well, actually, it's for anything, but we chose insurance. Okay. If you are looking for different kinds of career paths that you can take, Glassdoor, again, is a beautiful resource. So lots of tabs, but I use it for salary primarily. So as a great example, all right, does somebody want to throw out an area? Are we curious?
Yeah, Colorado.
Colorado. Go. We're going to say life agent. Okay. Beautiful. So we're going to pop in brand new right out of the gate, just past the exam. Oh, it's not going to let me. Nope. No passwords on Zoom. Sorry, guys. Okay. Well, this is going to be your base pay is 54 to 101K. Pretty standard actually across the nation, right? So life insurance agents. And if you want more resources, actually, you've got all of these guys listed here. Sorry, I'm still admitting multitasking is another skill set. Insurance agents can sharpen all the time. So I'm going to answer two questions actually in one. So one, Indeed is a great resource just to be able to see who's hiring in your area. It is area specific. They do have this tab up here, find salaries. So again, if you're not sure how much you should be getting paid at your current level, remember, you're not going to get paid as much as somebody who's been in for 5 years. They've also had time maybe to negotiate renewals. So that's another thing to think about. All right. So anything part-time, well, I didn't put in insurance now, did I? It's important. Insurance, part-time. Keep in mind, if you're wanting to work more part-time while you're building, that's okay. But just be aware, most sales positions require, in order to access all the people, all the referrals, all the leads that you want to access, it really kind of is a full-time job. So you can certainly work your other job, but keep in mind when you're out in the community, maybe at your volunteer networking organizations, anything like that, you're always going to want to make sure you're looking for leads to make up for any lost time. So part-time, it's just going to cut your opportunity. On the other hand, it can definitely be the way to go to build a book of business and keep security. So nothing wrong with that. Absolutely. Allstate's hiring in Gilbert, if anyone is in the Arizona area. Okay, so Indeed, pretty easy to use. You can also set up your profile so that you get emails every day. You can fine tune this to exactly what it is that you're looking for. If you want only remote, you can set that up. Okay. If there's a particular company you want to work with, you can set that up. So you'll get emails there every day, sometimes annoyingly. So I want to hit salary.com. Again, these are all resources that they're just great to have in your back pocket. So what am I worth? Okay. And again, I just use my area. I'll keep you all safe. Okay. So again, a wealth of knowledge. If it'll give it to me. Come on, little fella. There we go. Okay, so cute little graph, but it'll show you even at the bottom 10%, you're still looking at 55K. So already making 70, 80, 90K where we're at. Maybe we built our career, got fantastic medical benefits. And this is to answer the question earlier today. If it's a pay cut, then yeah, maybe that is something to think about. Think about, family security and making sure that you've got the proper medical care, because every agent's office is going to offer different kinds of health insurance packages, if any, depending on the size. But also keep in mind that as the larger your book grows, the more renewals happen. And of course, if you get paid on renewal, that is super important. Okay.